Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my New Year's look of this year for you. Let's get started. And as per usual, we're just starting off with an eyeshadow base. I mean, I say as usual, but like the last two looks we actually started off with a cream eyeshadow instead of a base. Anyway, today I'm going to use powder eyeshadows. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. If you don't have this, you need a matte ochre shade, a matte brown shade and a glittery gold. Start with the ochre shade. Now basically I'm just going for a shadow in the outer corner and the crease. Mostly also the outer corner of the crease. I'm not going to go for a wing shade this time. I'm literally just creating a shadow. So basically just apply it with a blending brush. And just keep blending until it's nice and smooth. I'm also blending it up quite high in the inner corner this time. Because I want a smoky effect this time around. As opposed to last time when we basically did it as sort of a floating shadow. Now next up I'm just applying a brown shade. And like I said, I don't want a full on cat eye. But I do want a nice shape to my eye, like the lifting effect. So yeah, I'm applying this with a slightly smaller brush. And again, just keep blending, blending and blending until it's perfectly smooth. And then just a brow bone highlight in white. Followed by, very surprisingly, even more blending. And now I'm just applying a gold shadow, glittery gold of course, because holidays, glitter, I just love glitter. And I'm also using a soft brush to blend it into the crease immediately, so I don't get any harsh lines. And it's always a recommended thing to also go back to the last blending brush. Just to make sure everything is perfectly smooth. Then for the inner corner I'm going to make it bright with literal white eyeshadow. Matte. I am going to apply glitter on top of it later on, but I really just want the brightness to be there to begin with. And the glitter is, well, the glitter eyeshadow that I'm going to use after this is not actually opaque, it's literally loose glitter in a base. So yeah, I want some brightness underneath it already. This is the palette I'm going to use. If you've watched my last video, yes, it's the exact same palette. This is basically loose glitter in a base, so you don't need to use a glitter base. You could use loose glitter and a separate base, but it's more work and I'm kind of lazy, so I'm using this. This is basically the result we're getting. It's just silver glitter over top of gold eyeshadow. I wanted a combination of silver and gold because I always feel, that might be just my logic, but I always feel like on New Year's Eve you can get away with combining silver and gold because whatever, it's New Year's Eve. This has silver stars in it as well, so I am being quite careful with the placement because even though this is an eyeshadow palette and it's supposedly eye safe, I can't imagine it feeling very nice to have a literal silver star in your eyeball. So yeah, I'm only placing this above my eyelashes so my eyelashes can just protect my actual eyes. I'm also going to put this in the inner corner, but in the inner corner I'm really going to just try and grab only the small particles of glitter for safety. Then time for some graphic eyeliner. I'm just going to make that up as I go, so come a little bit closer. And I've also done the rest of my face by now. I just went for basically a very soft face look with a BB cream and like not many products. Nothing like the full coverage face of my Christmas look, just because on New Year's Eve I usually end up going to bed at like 2 in the morning. Just full disclosure, yes, I will probably wake up then with like eyeliner left on my face, but at least I can easily wash my face so I don't give myself unnecessary wrinkles. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to finish the eyes now with some pencil and mascara. I'm going to put a very pale color on my waterline. Admittedly, it would also look really cool to use a pure white pencil, but I don't really have a good one at this moment. And this is also a fun moment to realize I completely forgot to put eyeshadow below my eyes. So I'm just putting a brown eyeshadow on the edge of the eyeshadow brush here. Just to give some more shadow beneath my eyes. I'm also putting a little bit of white eyeshadow there. Connected to the white wing. Then again mascara. You could go for falsies, but on New Year's Eve chances are I would totally forget to actually take those off again. And I would sleep with them and I would ruin them. And I don't wanna. So mascara it is. And for the lips I think I'm going to go for a matte nude. But I'm going to put glitter on top of it. And that brings us to the final results. Yeah, it is nice and glittery and all ready for the sparkling start of the new year. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out because it makes YouTube suggest my videos more often to new people. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, you can also subscribe to my channel. I upload once a week and it's usually a makeup tutorial or a vlog. And other than that, yeah, I hope you have the best possible new year and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!